Before you begin, make sure you're wearing safety glasses and gloves. If you're using a rotary grinder, hearing protection and a long sleeve shirt are also recommended. If the chain side end of your cable is damaged, you can repair it using the set screw male connector. Simply trim back some of the sleeving, trim back the cable if necessary, reattach the sleeve cap, and attach the set screw male connector. If the damage is closer to the motor side end of the cable, use the following steps to repair or replace your speed shaft cable. Here are the tools you'll need: a 1/8 Allen key, a crescent wrench, pipe cutters or a sharp knife, and a rotary grinder. First, unplug the power cord. Then, unplug the airfoot pedal. Remove any attachments or chains you may have on the end of your SpeedCut Mini Plus. Next, loosen the 6 set screws on the clutch using the 1/8 Allen key. Unhook the cable from the cable hook and remove the cable from the clutch. Pull out the entire cable until you get to the final coil. Next, compress the opposite side of the flex ring and pull out the rest of the cable. Now pull the entire length of cable out straight. Make sure there are no loops or kinks in the cable. Press the crimp-on or set screw male connector until it is flush with the sleeve cap. Remove the sleeve cap on the motor/clutch side end by using the crescent wrench and threading to the left. Now check the cable for damage. The semi-transparent sleeve should help you see any issues. If not, pull cable from the motor/clutch side to reveal a visible gap between the snap. Still can't find the damage? Use a magnet. The magnet will not stick to sleeving without cable inside and will stop when it reaches usable cable. On the motor side, trim the sleeving to reveal 2 to 3 inches of cable. Make sure the cut is clean and even. If the steel rope is frayed or the cable has any burrs, trim a little more until the end is smooth. If you're using a rotary grinder, make sure that you're in a well-ventilated area and away from flammable materials. Reconfirm length of exposed cable on the motor side end at 2 to 3 inches. Reattach the sleeve cap on the motor/clutch side end of the cable by using a crescent wrench and threading to the right. Now we're ready to reinstall the cable. First, take the opposing side of the flex ring and squeeze it to allow enough room for the cable to fit into the basket. Then, feed the entire cable through the second post opening, giving yourself enough room to attach it to the clutch. If you still have the brass ring, make sure to reapply it. Push the cable into the clutch until it is seated entirely. Tighten all 6 set screws on the clutch using the 1/8 Allen key. After all 6 set screws have been tightened, attach the cable onto the cable hook. Install the entire length of the cable back into the drum. Ensure there are no clothes, loose items, or hair near the chain side or motor side connections, and remove any chains or accessories at the end of the cable. Now plug in the power cord and airfoot pedal. Press your foot on the airfoot pedal to turn on the machine and make sure it runs smoothly.